Alright, recording, so in real life. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Anton and today we're reviewing 2018 S-Class 450. Let's go! Alright, so S-Class 450. So it's 362 horsepower, V6 twin turbo, so it makes 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. So it's a very heavy car, and for V6 actually that's pretty good result. But this car is not for performance driving. I mean, in my opinion, even S63, it's very comfortable car. So this car is to cruise around, so it's very good for the road trips. So we took this car in August when my family were here. So they visited me from Germany. So we took this car we took this to Monterey for the car show. So we enjoyed the car show. That was I mean, the Monterey Car Week, I think it's the best ever for like whoever loves car and likes car into cars. I think this is the best place to be. So first we took this to Monterey, then after this we drove to Pismo Beach. So after Pismo Beach we drove to LA, and then from LA we drove to Vegas, and then back from Vegas to San Jose. So driving back from Vegas to San Jose, I mean, I did this couple times, and that was the first time I did this with the S-Class, and I mean, that was great. That was like a first class flying. Especially if you sit on the back seats, I mean, even the front seats. So you have a massage seats in the front, you have a cooling seats, you have a heating seats, and on the back, so you have a reclining seats. So you can just sleep and relax on the back, and there's like plenty of room on the back. I mean, the back it's very comfortable, right? So once we took this car also to Sacramento, so my wife was driving and I was sitting on the back with our baby, and I was able even to do some work on my laptop very comfortably. So usually if you try to, in other cars, if you try to do some work on your laptop, I don't know, you get dizzy or you're like really uncomfortable. But in this case, I mean, I assure you guys, I guess this is the best. So this particular model, what I have here, I have the AMG package. So what the AMG package includes, it's mostly is outside. I don't think so there is any changes inside or something different inside to the normal model. So outside you have a more aggressive bumpers, you have an AMG body styling, and then you have 20 inch rims from AMG, which I love actually. I love those rims, how they look on this car, particularly on this car. I think like AMG GT they also has like the same rims. I'm not sure, I have to check that. What else this car has? So, and it has also adaptive lighting, adaptive headlights. So that's mean when you drive, for example, at night, and you just put this in the high beam, and it's automatically adjusting. So what it does, so the car recognizes if any car going towards you, and it will automatically actually put the light, headlights in the normal mode, and once the car passes, it's gonna put it back in the high beam again. So this feature, I love this feature, especially if you drive somewhere at night or like in the curvy road somewhere. So we took this couple times to Santa Cruz, so this is the best feature ever. For example, if you put your turn signal to the left, so the lights actually highlight the left section for you, so you can see where you're actually turning. So this is also a really nice feature. Or even if you turn your steering wheel left or right, so the lights will also turn with you. So this is also one of my favorite features. What is also really cool, the interior lighting. So this multicolor interior lighting is very awesome. So you can adjust it in different colors. You can even select like a special modes, for example ocean blue, and it's gonna go through like a different varieties of the blue color. So this is very nice. So like if you select Sahara red, so it's gonna go for some reason from blue to red and then change the different colors. So you can select the rainbow, so it's gonna go from green to yellow to blue, and depends like which mood you have. I mean, I used mostly like blue color. I like blue driver assist. So this is also very nice feature. So it's not completely autonomous driving, but it's very close. So when you activate this feature, so you can select, let's say 65 miles an hour, and then I even tried this on the Highway 1. If you guys know what is Highway 1, or if you haven't done it yet, so I definitely recommend, guys. I think everybody should drive Highway 1 from San Francisco to Los Angeles. This is one of the best thing ever. So, and even if you go in the curvy road, so you can release your hands from the steering wheel, but I think it's only like 30 seconds or something. Then cars start beeping and asking you to put your hands back. But even then, so the car will follow the lines and turn automatically. It's pretty scary in the beginning, but I mean it's pretty cool feature to try and see like where the actually future going. Then another thing, so let's say you set it up to like 55 miles an hour and the car in front of you go 40 miles an hour, so the car will automatically brake and adjust the speed to the car in front of you. And even if it's go to the full stop, usually like in the older model, you still have to press gas. So in this car, it will automatically actually stop, and even if you stop for like 10 seconds and the car in front of you start driving again, so the car will actually start driving automatically again by itself. So you don't need to press gas or whatever. So this car also has automatic parking feature. So we didn't use this so much since in America like parking lots are huge. I mean, we did try it a couple times, like I think in San Francisco and then somewhere else. So this feature working pretty well, but the only thing what I didn't like a couple times when you activate this feature and so for example you want to do side parking, so you activate this feature and then you start driving, and then the car has the sensors on each side, and then it recognizes automatically if there is like a parking spot available. If the car see that there is a parking spot available, you just confirm you want to park and the car parks automatically. I mean, in a couple cases we were driving by and it was like a huge spot there, but the car still couldn't recognize that this actually parking spot is available, but it was definitely like big enough to fit this huge car. Yeah, this is that was kind of weird. Oh yeah, so this car has also massage seats, so you can select a variety of different massages. You can select hot stone massage, activating massage, classic massage. So this car is also actually, I would say baby friendly. So we have a small baby, she is now 14 months old, and so you can install the baby seat on the back, and it's especially for my wife when she's driving on the back with baby. I mean, the S-Class, it's the best. So I would actually think like what people should buy, like luxury SUV or the S-Class. So I mean, some of the SUVs actually price is very similar. The only thing is the trunk space. I mean, the S-Class has a big trunk, but still SUVs has advantage like that you can bring way more stuff with you, especially if you have like bigger stroller or if you plan the road trip. So we did the road trip, so that, I mean, that went well. It was a little bit tight actually with the storage, but still it was wonderful. So for performance driving, so I drove this car a couple times in mountains on the Skyline. So Skyline Boulevard, whoever knows. it's actually like for this size it performed very well, so I actually enjoyed the driving. So it's not like a boat, you know, like some of the cars when you drive in the mountains and then you go into the turn, and then you just feel it's like the whole car is moving like a boat. So this one has air suspension, and it's actually pretty nice to drive it in the mountains. So I enjoyed a lot, and even for the size you still feel the road and everything. It's pretty nice. And for some reason this car has only 2 modes, so it has a comfort and sport. For some reason Sport Plus is missing. I'm not sure why, but I don't know if 560 has a Sport Plus, maybe. But I mean, even in Sport, I mean, it was pretty nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the S-Class 450. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what else you want to see. Let me know if you like this video. Hit this like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Hey guys, and I forget to mention, don't forget to check out my Instagram account. So it's last ton. Yeah, it's just last ton. Check it out.